Welcome to our deep dive into one of the cosmos' most intriguing mysteries. Recently, astronomers detected an enigmatic cosmic object emitting signals every 6.5 hours. This periodic beacon has captured the attention of scientists and alien enthusiasts alike, raising questions about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. In today's video, we'll explore the discovery, the various scientific theories, and the heated debate surrounding these mysterious signals. Whether you're a curious stargazer or a dedicated follower of cosmic enigmas, stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind this puzzling phenomenon that challenges our understanding of the universe. It all began when a team of astronomers noticed an unusual pattern coming from a remote region of space. Using advanced radio telescopes, they recorded signals that appeared with uncanny regularity every 6.5 hours. Initial data revealed that these emissions were not random noise, but occurred in a precise, repeating interval, sparking intense interest among researchers. The discovery, made during a routine sky survey, hinted at a structured source behind the signals. Could this be a natural astrophysical event? Or is there a hidden mechanism at work? These initial observations set the stage for a deeper investigation into the origins of the cosmic beacon. Following the discovery, scientists embarked on detailed analyses to decode the signal's origin. Multiple hypotheses emerged, ranging from natural astrophysical processes to the possibility of engineered transmissions. Some researchers considered pulsars or neutron stars as potential culprits, while others explored the idea of exotic phenomena influencing the emissions. Spectroscopic studies and timing analyses were conducted in an effort to match the periodicity with known cosmic events. Despite extensive efforts, no single theory fully explained the strict 6.5-hour interval. The discussion among experts intensified as each new piece of data added complexity to the debate, fueling further research into this perplexing cosmic mystery. As word of the discovery spread, both the scientific community and the public began to speculate about the source of these persistent signals. This blend of rigorous investigation and creative speculation has only deepened the allure of the mystery, prompting even more questions than answers and inspiring a wave of renewed interest in cosmic phenomena. The discovery of these periodic signals has significant implications for astronomy and our approach to studying the universe. It challenges established models and encourages scientists to rethink known cosmic processes. New proposals for dedicated observation campaigns and improved telescope networks have emerged, aimed at capturing more detailed data on these puzzling emissions. The phenomenon has also spurred international collaboration and renewed discussions about funding for advanced space research. As the scientific community prepares for future missions, this discovery stands as a reminder that even in our well-charted universe, surprises abound. Each new observation opens a door to further exploration and deeper understanding of the cosmos. At the heart of the discussion lies a compelling debate. Are these signals the result of a natural cosmic occurrence, or could they be evidence of alien life? Advocates for a natural explanation point to unusual but known astrophysical events that might mimic such regularity. However, the precision of the 6.5-hour cycle leaves some researchers pondering the possibility of intentional, perhaps even artificial, origins. This ongoing debate fuels further inquiry as scientists rigorously test both natural and exotic scenarios. While the evidence remains inconclusive, the controversy itself has expanded our understanding of the universe and challenged long-held assumptions about life beyond Earth. To determine the nature of these signals, astronomers meticulously analyzed their frequency, amplitude, and modulation. Unlike typical radio bursts from pulsars, these signals did not gradually weaken or shift in an expected manner. Instead, they remained consistent in strength and structure. Such regularity raises the question: is this the result of an unknown astrophysical process, or is there an intelligent design behind it? Some scientists speculate that if an advanced civilization were to send out a beacon, it might resemble this pattern: regular, intentional, and distinguishable from cosmic noise. Fast radio bursts, FRUBs, are another perplexing phenomenon that have baffled scientists for years. These intense bursts of radio waves appear suddenly and disappear just as fast, often without repetition. However, some repeating FRUBs share similarities with the 6.5-hour signal. Could this be a new subclass of FRUBs, exhibiting an unusually precise timing? If so, it would challenge our understanding of how these bursts form and what powers them. Researchers are now cross-referencing previous FERB data to find potential matches, hoping to identify a broader pattern in these cosmic signals. One of the most exciting and speculative theories involves the idea of a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure built by an advanced civilization to harness energy from a star. If such a structure partially obstructs light and emits signals in a rhythmic pattern, it could explain what we're observing. Some astrophysicists argue that the periodic signal might be an artificial pulse generated by a civilization attempting to communicate or control energy distribution across space. While highly speculative, this theory aligns with the idea that advanced life could leave detectable imprints in the cosmos. With thousands of radio signals constantly bombarding Earth from space, analyzing and distinguishing meaningful patterns is an immense challenge. Enter artificial intelligence. Advanced machine learning algorithms have been deployed to sift through massive datasets and detect anomalies. These AI systems are being trained to recognize artificial signals distinct from natural cosmic emissions. Could AI eventually decipher a hidden message within these signals? Some experts believe that if intelligent extraterrestrials are reaching out, AI might be our best hope for understanding them. This isn't the first time scientists have encountered mysterious cosmic signals. The famous WOW signal of 1977, a strong narrowband radio burst from deep space, remains unexplained to this day. Similarly, pulsars were once considered potential signs of extraterrestrial intelligence before their true nature was discovered. The 6.5-hour signal joins a long list of astronomical enigmas that have challenged and expanded our understanding of the universe. Could this be another misinterpreted natural phenomenon, or is it something truly groundbreaking? Breakthrough, Listen, a large-scale project dedicated to searching for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has already begun analyzing the 6.5-hour signal. Their advanced telescopes and data processing techniques allow them to filter out human-made interference and pinpoint whether these signals have artificial characteristics. If the signal exhibits frequency drift or structured modulation, it could be a strong candidate for an intelligent source. Scientists at Breakthrough Listen are currently scanning for repetitions and potential patterns within the transmissions. Magnetars are highly magnetized neutron stars capable of emitting powerful bursts of energy. Some scientists propose that the signal could be originating from a magnetar with an unusually stable and repeating pulse. Unlike typical magnetar bursts, which are often unpredictable, this one exhibits a clockwork-like consistency. If a previously unknown type of magnetar is behind the signal, it could revolutionize our understanding of these extreme celestial objects. Some researchers speculate that the signal might be originating near the center of our Milky Way galaxy, where intense gravitational forces and exotic astrophysical objects reside. Black holes, dense star clusters, and high-energy environments in this region could interact in ways we don't yet understand. If the signal is linked to a celestial body near the galactic center, it could provide insight into previously undetected cosmic dynamics. Assuming for a moment that this signal does come from an advanced alien civilization, what could its purpose be? Could it be a distress signal, an interstellar beacon, or a deliberate attempt to make contact with other intelligent life forms? Some theorists argue that a civilization more advanced than ours might use highly structured radio emissions as a means of universal communication. If this is the case, decoding the signal could be humanity's first real step toward communicating with extraterrestrials. One way to determine whether the signal is artificial is to test for modulation variations that suggest encoded information. If the transmission carries embedded data, it could be an intentional message rather than a random astrophysical occurrence. Advanced radio telescopes are being aimed at the source to detect subtle frequency variations that might indicate an intelligent design behind the emissions. Next-generation telescopes, like the Square Kilometer Array, SKA, and the James Webb might be coming from an entirely new class of celestial objects, unlike anything we've seen before. If confirmed, this could lead to the reclassification of certain stellar phenomena and a deeper understanding of the life cycles of stars. The Fermi paradox asks, if intelligent life is common in the universe, what rigor demands skepticism? Could this signal be an error, a misinterpretation, or even a hoax? Some past discoveries have turned out to be terrestrial interference or misidentified natural phenomena. Researchers are ensuring that every possibility is examined before jumping to extraordinary conclusions. Astronomers are now conducting extensive searches to determine whether similar signals exist elsewhere in the universe. If other objects emit periodic bursts at a consistent interval, it could provide valuable clues about the nature of this phenomenon. Scientists are scanning past radio data archives, hoping to find overlooked patterns that match the 6.5-hour cycle. If a second source is detected, it would confirm that this is not an isolated event, but part of a larger cosmic process, potentially one we have yet to understand. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has been actively monitoring space for decades, looking for artificial signals that might indicate intelligent life. This mysterious 6.5-hour emission has drawn their interest, leading to deeper analysis. SETI researchers are examining whether the signal contains complex structures. Repeating codes could explain the repetitive nature of the bursts. Future space telescopes will investigate whether the signal is associated with a known exoplanet system. Could a massive cosmic object be distorting the signal's timing? Gravitational lensing occurs when a massive celestial body, such as a black hole or galaxy cluster, bends and magnifies light or radio waves from a distant source. Some scientists speculate that a natural astrophysical event could be hidden behind the gravitational distortion, causing the illusion of a 6.5-hour periodicity. If this hypothesis is correct, studying the lensing effects could help pinpoint the original source of the signals. Rogue planets, free-floating worlds, not bound to any star drift through the galaxy, often carrying thick atmospheres and powerful magnetic fields. If a rogue planet has an active core generating strong electromagnetic emissions, it might produce radio signals at regular intervals. Some astronomers are considering this possibility, suggesting that the planet's rotation or interactions with interstellar gas clouds could generate the repeating bursts we are detecting. One key factor in understanding the nature of this mysterious source is measuring the energy output of the signals. Are they consistent in power, or do they fluctuate over time? If the energy remains stable, it could suggest an artificial origin, as natural cosmic events often show random variations. Scientists are working to determine whether the emissions follow any discernible patterns, which could provide insight into whether they stem from an astrophysical source or an unknown technology. Some researchers propose that the signal might come from a white dwarf or another stellar remnant undergoing periodic activity. Certain stars in their final stages of evolution can emit bursts of energy at predictable intervals. If this is the case, studying this phenomenon could help us understand the late-life behavior of stars and reveal previously unknown aspects of stellar physics. Regardless of the signal's origin, its discovery has reignited interest in the search for life beyond Earth. Whether it turns out to be an unusual astrophysical event or an intelligent transmission, it highlights the importance of continuously monitoring deep space for anomalies. If we are ever to detect and confirm extraterrestrial intelligence, it will likely begin with a strange, unexplained signal, just like this one. As news of the 6.5-hour signal spreads, public interest in the search for alien life has surged. Social media platforms are buzzing with theories, ranging from serious scientific discussions to wild speculation. UFO enthusiasts, science communicators, and amateur astronomers have joined the conversation, sharing their own analyses and ideas. This growing excitement highlights humanity's deep curiosity about the cosmos and the possibility of not being alone in the universe. Some experts suggest that the signal could be a cosmic lighthouse, a naturally occurring phenomenon that emits periodic bursts of energy, much like a lighthouse beacon flashing across the ocean. If a distant neutron star or exotic celestial object is rotating and beaming signals toward Earth, we might be detecting it only when its beam sweeps in our direction. Further observations will determine whether the source exhibits motion that aligns with this theory. Despite months of investigation, scientists still do not have a definitive explanation for the signal. Every hypothesis, from natural astrophysical sources to potential extraterrestrial origins, presents challenges and unanswered questions. As more telescopes around the world are directed at the mysterious source, the puzzle continues. Some past anomalies in radio astronomy turned out to be caused by interference from human-made devices, like satellites or even microwave ovens. Scientists are carefully verifying the integrity of the data to rule out any mundane explanations. With no clear answers yet, the next step is to gather more data. Scientists plan to use more powerful telescopes and advanced signal processing techniques to refine their observations. If they can detect additional signals with varying frequencies or patterns, it may provide the key to unlocking this mystery. If the signal does turn out to be artificial, it could mark the first step toward interstellar communication. How would humanity respond if we confirmed intelligent life? Would we attempt to send a reply, or would we remain silent? These questions are already sparking philosophical and ethical debates about the implications of making first contact. Astrobiologists are weighing in on the discovery, examining whether an alien civilization could realistically produce signals of this type. Could an advanced species be using radio waves to probe the universe, just as we do? If so, what might they be trying to communicate? Understanding the biology and possible motivations of extraterrestrial life could help us interpret the nature of the signal. Some scientists argue that focusing solely on radio signals might limit our search for extraterrestrial intelligence. If aliens communicate using light, neutrinos, or some other unknown method, we could be missing crucial evidence. This discovery might push researchers to broaden their approach and consider alternative forms of interstellar messaging. Whether this signal leads to a groundbreaking discovery or remains an unexplained anomaly, it reminds us of the vast mysteries still hidden in the cosmos. Every unanswered question propels us forward, inspiring the next generation of astronomers, scientists, and explorers. As technology advances, our ability to uncover the secrets of the universe will only improve, bringing us ever closer to the truth. Some scientists have proposed that the 5-hour signal could be a cosmic beacon, an intentional broadcast designed to be noticed. If an advanced civilization wanted to announce its presence, it might use a repetitive, highly structured signal to stand out against natural cosmic noise. Could this be a type of interstellar lighthouse, marking a point of interest for anyone advanced enough to detect and decipher it? If so, what is it trying to tell us? Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos, and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blasovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.